Hey y'all, have you ever cooked pork chops out on the grill and they come out dry, overcooked? Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect boneless pork chops. Hey y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. Today's video we'll be demonstrating how we in the South grill boneless pork chops without overcooking them. We're going to cook these in 5 easy steps. If you like my video, please make sure you subscribe, ring that bell. That'll allow you to follow my site and get notifications for all my new posts, and all this is free. Alright y'all, first step is to season our pork chops. We want to make sure that the pork chops are out at room temperature, so pull them out about 15-20 minutes before you are ready to cook them and season them. I'm just putting a little bit of paprika, some salt, pepper, and garlic powder on them, and I'm sprinkling it on it pretty thick, and I'm going to rub it in, and then I'm going to turn them over and rub them in on the other side. Seasoning these really makes a difference in the taste and what you really get out of them. Don't be afraid to use that seasoning that's fallen off, a little extra here and there. Alright, so I have them all seasoned. We'll be moving on to step 2. They've been out about 5 minutes. I want them about 15 minutes, 20 minutes before I put them out on the grill. So I've got them sitting out here. It's about 75 degrees today, so we're perfect weather to do this. I've got my grill going. It'll be up and running here shortly. Alright y'all, we're ready for step 2. What we're going to do now is place them on the grill. I want my grill to be somewhere between 350 and 400. Some of the things everybody should know how their grill cooks. Mine cooks really fast in the center and in the front. So I'm going to place these. I want them to be seared, but I don't want them to burn. I'm only going to put them on for about a minute. So I'm going to put them into the back of the grill. So I'm going to open it up and put them starting at the front, because I want a good sear on them. But I don't want to put them in the center, because that center is going to be really hot on my grill. Close it up. Now I'm going to set my phone, the timer on my phone, for 1 minute. In 1 minute I'm going to rotate them 90 degrees to get the good marks on it. Wait another minute, and then I'm going to turn them, and then another minute and turn them. Now these are about a ½ an inch thick. Personally, I like them if they're about 1 inch thick. They cook a lot better. Alright y'all, my timer's gone off. I have my other set of tongs. I use one to put raw meat, one for once I put the meat on the grill. And I'm just rotating them 1/4 of a turn. Nothing to it. I set my timer again for another minute. Alright y'all, my timer just went off again. So this time it's time to turn them over. Alright y'all, timer's off. So now I'm going to rotate them and set it for another minute. Okay, my last timer went off. So at this point in time, I'm going to check my internal temperature. This is step 4. I want it to be at 135 degrees. It's probably not there yet, but we're going to check them. They are real close. So I'm going to move all of them off of direct heat, where they're just barely getting a little bit of temperature. They're at like 130, 131 right now. So I'm going to give them about another minute or so, and then I'm going to check them again, and then we'll pull them off. One of the things I like doing is once I pull them off, is I want step 5, I want them to rest for 5 minutes before I serve them. Alright, we should be there now, but let's check them just to make sure. 135, 35, yep, we're there. So I'm going to pull them off. close my vents. Alright y'all, I've cut into this one and you can see it's nice and moist. Alright, now time for the taste test. Cut me a nice piece off. Those are good. Still nice, moist, juicy, not dry at all. And these only took about 7 minutes on the grill. And again, that's a lot of it's because of the 1/2 inch thickness. If we have inch and a half thickness, it might take about 10. But it doesn't take long to get pork chops ready. Alright y'all, I want to thank you for watching my video today. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe, ring that bell. That way you will get notifications for all my upcoming videos. Till next time, folks.